Zhujiang Zhengxin Machinery Company Limited is a technology-based enterprise with technical strength and economic power. The main production is automatic non-woven bag making the machine, non-woven fabric printing machine, non-woven cross-cutting machine, non-woven slitting machine, and non-woven bag handle sealing machine, etc. Complete equipment of non-woven bag making machinery. We have a group of middle and senior technical personnel and strong technical force with design, development, production, installation, service integrity of an operating system, and passed the ISO 9001 Quality System Certification and CE International Safety Certification. Our company always adhere to the integrity, quality, innovation, enterprising, management idea, strives for the survival by quality,
Company Limited is a manufacturer and high-tech enterprise dedicated to the development, production, and sales of automatic sewing equipment. Established in year 2010, the corporate headquarters is located in Dongguan City, which is well known as Road Factory, which has branch office in Vietnam, Cambodia, Myanmar. Company owns numbers of national patent products and be recognized by the government as a private technology enterprise. With professional technology, excellent R&D team, experienced staff, and management system to produce satisfied quality products, which widely used in sewing bags, handbags, leather goods, shoes, garments, hats, sofa furniture, auto supplies, sports goods, outdoor goods, which are exported to the Middle East, Asia, Europe, Africa, America, and other parts of the world. The company Visa Company Limited is a manufacturer and high-tech enterprise dedicated to the development, production, and sales of automatic sewing equipment. Established in year 2010, the corporate headquarters is located in Dongguan City, which is well known as Road Factory, which has branch office in Vietnam, Cambodia, Myanmar. Company owns numbers of national patent products and be recognized by the government as a private technology enterprise. With professional technology, excellent R&D team, experienced staff, and management system to produce satisfied quality products, which widely used in sewing bags, handbags, leather goods, shoes, garments, hats, sofa furniture, auto supplies, sports goods, outdoor goods, which are exported to the Middle East, Asia, Europe, Africa, America, and other parts of the world. The company research.
Guangzhou Baoneng, located in beautiful Guangzhou, China, is a professional manufacturer of various filling packaging equipment. Quality first, user first, integrity first is Baoneng's business philosophy. Our main products are various washing machines, filling machines, sealing machines, capping machines, labeling machines, packing machines, and relative filling line equipment which are suitable for auto packaging of various bottles, cups, barrels, blister packs, bags, and trays. These machines are widely welcome in foodstuffs, drinks, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, chemical, daily chemical industries. Boasting with a senior team and perfect teamwork, we are sufficient to supply various professional filling packaging solutions and complete very well one-stop turnkey projects in design, production, installation, and training. Meticulous design, technical innovation, rigorous manufacturing, and attentive
Chenzhou Xinda Machinery Company Limited is located in Chenzhou City, Fujian Province, China, with convenient transportation access. Our company was founded in 1997. With nearly 30 years of experience, our company covers an area of 12,400 square meters. We employ over 50 well-trained and knowledgeable staff, among whom 15 are middle and senior technicians. Our annual revenue reaches over USD 5 million. In addition, we have obtained CE certificate. We engaged machinery manufacturing, mainly produced daily using paper series converting machine, including toilet paper, facial tissue, napkin paper, hand towel paper, dental bibs, paper coaster, and so on. Our company has a higher capacity for technical development, design, and OEM process.
Machinery AI after-sales technical advantages. TSO Construction Machinery is a leading manufacturer of construction machinery, supplying quality equipment to customers worldwide. As part of our commitment to customer satisfaction, we are constantly developing and improving our after-sales service. In recent years, we have incorporated artificial intelligence (AI) into our after-sales technical support to provide our customers with new levels of efficiency and convenience. The following are some of the main advantages of TSO Construction Machinery AI after-sales. Technical support. Predictive maintenance.
Hello everyone, my name is Albert and I am the manager of the Overseas Market Department of the Hengchao Automation Equipment Co. Ltd. Next, I will introduce our auto tapping filter equipment to you. Our equipment suited for the plan of the length of the land is the 115 to 500 mm and the wide is the 114 to 350 and the height is the 10 mm to 50 mm. You can see this mode. I can according the different products and make a different mode. And our equipment can produce more than 16 types of the air condition filter elements. You can see now. Finally, the machine can let the mold.
China's machinery sector continued to expand in 2015, but at a slower pace than the previous year. Data from the China Machinery Industry Federation shows that the added value of the sector increased 5.5%, less than the 2014's 10%. The growth rate was also lower than the industry average of 6.1%. Machinery related to consumption grew fast in 2015 than did machinery related to industry as China's economy continues to transform. The China Machinery Industry Federation says it expects the sector to maintain its growth rate this year. Let's hear from Chen Bing, Executive Vice President of the Federation.
China Pacific Machinery Company is located in China Henan Province, Zhengzhou City. Factory located in Shandong Province, near with Qingdao Airport, covers an area of 6,000 square meters. We own first-rate manufacturing equipment, such as the laser cutting machine, numerical control punch, automatic blending machine, milling machine, etc. Skilled workers are more than 100. All this makes sure us to provide top-grade quality machines for customers. Our company has passed the Quality Management System certification, C certification, SGS certification, UL certification, strict quality management system to ensure the quality of the company's products and services. Quality wins trust. Confidence comes from professional. China Pacific Machinery strives to be reliable partners in the hearts of all customers. We look forward to win-win cooperation with new and old customers. China Pacific Machinery main provided fruit and vegetable processing machinery, nut processing machinery, meat processing equipment, pastry machines, snack machines, packing machinery and packing film. OEM conveyor system, we provided from single machine to complete production line and automatic turnkey solution design service. China Pacific Machinery provided for all equipment 1-year warranty service since customer received the machine. Lifetime technical support. Any question you have, no matter whether in warranty period or not, as long as you give me an email or video, our engineers team are very willing to solve the problem for you. We appreciate every customer's trust and we strive to meet customer expectations in terms of product quality, timely delivery, competitive prices and reliable after-sales service. Warmly welcome contact with us and send in your requirement. We will back to you as soon as possible with suitable machine and competitive price.
Zhujiang Zhengxin Machinery Company Limited is a technology-based enterprise with technical strength and economic power. The main production is automatic non-woven bag making the machine, non-woven fabric printing machine, non-woven cross-cutting machine, non-woven slitting machine, and non-woven bag handle sealing machine, etc. Complete equipment of non-woven bag making machinery. We have a group of middle and senior technical personnel and strong technical force with design, development, production, installation, service integrity of an operating system, and pass the ISO 9001 Quality System Certification and CE International Safety Certification. Our company always adhere to the integrity, quality, innovation, enterprising management idea, strives for the survival by quality, seek development.
Create quality with ingenuity. Pursue excellence with beginner's mind. Jensen Precision Machining. Always pursuit excellent quality. Dongguan Jensen Precision Machining Company Limited, located in world manufacture-based Dongguan City. Jensen has been committed to produce precision machined parts and non-standard automation design and manufacture since 2006. We have become a strategic partner for many overseas customers in the field of precision parts. We always adhere to the pursuit of excellence, providing customers with world-class quality products and services. Jensen has introduced advanced CNC machining equipment and testing equipment from USA, Japan, and Switzerland. Equipped with CNC machining center, CNC turning machine, engine lathe, milling machine, grinder, 2D projector, CMM, spectrometer, height gauge, hardness tester, roughometer, etc. Cooperating with other factories for external processing. With relying on rich machining experience and international leading equipment, Jensen provides comprehensive solutions and one-stop service for customers in medical equipment, semiconductor, optical communication, electron, industrial sensor, automobile, aerospace, industrial automation industries. Since its establishment in 2000,